Wizard! Uh-oh.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood of Deck Restoration Plus, and today I want to talk to you about one of our color and tones that we use. It's our Beach Haven Black. Again, white and black have become very popular over the last few years, and really what we're trying to do here is just give it a black tint, kind of like the balusters on a composite deck, spindles, balusters, pickets, that you would use on a composite deck. So this is to kind of give it that look. We're still going to show the grain through. It's just going to give it a black tone. So we always want all of our stains are transparent so that you can see all the grain through of the wood, the characteristics of the wood, but give it that tint. So this is our Beach Haven Black. The evolution of Beach Haven Black was just because of popularity and request for it. So that's where we came up with this Beach Haven Black. So this can be applied by a brush, which we're going to do here. It could be applied by any of the sprayers, so an airless sprayer, a pump-up sprayer, a 12-volt sprayer. We don't recommend using a roller, but if you do use a roller, you should back brush it in to work it into the wood real good. And we do a wet-on-wet application, meaning the first coat doesn't dry before you put on the second coat. So you'll put on a first coat, that nice black tone, and then you're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And over that 10-minute time, it's going to set up a little bit. We don't want it to completely dry. Definitely take in consideration the time of the day, the sun, the heat, the temperature, and so forth, because warmer days you want to get to it sooner. Cooler days will be a little more forgiving. Where the Deck Restoration Plus is the water-based stain that can be applied to wet wood, damp wood, or dry wood. It acts like an oil base. It actually penetrates into the wood. As you can see, it's going into the wood. And then what happens is, fast forward to maintain this, all it's going to do is wear. We just do a light cleaning and we reapply, we recoat. And that's the way we want it to do. We don't want film formers where they're going to peel away. So our stain is a penetrating water-based stain. We back brush our second coat. And again, this is the Beach Haven Black. So you're still going to see the grain through, but you're going to have that dark tone. Again, this is wet, it'll dry up a little bit, but you'll still see the character through. And again, this is our Beach Haven Black. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and we're waiting for you to call us to order some Beach Haven Black.